So today we're going to reset this service required light. So this is a Range Rover. This should apply to 2013 to 2022. So the process is you open the driver door, and then you open the hood. Of course, other people call it the bonnet. And then once that is open, then you turn the ignition on. Don't run the engine, just turn the ignition on. And then you step on the brake and the on the gas pedal together for 10 seconds. You don't let them go, just for 10 seconds. Once that is done, you can let them go. I think 10 seconds is up. So once this is done, normally it won't show you the service required thing on the screen right there. So we'll go right ahead and then just start the car, and then if the service required thing is gone, this should be able to tell us that the service was done successfully. The light was reset. Guys, don't mind about this thing you see right here. These are the codes. So basically it's just supposed to disappear from there, and then your service has been reset. So you can start the car several times to make sure it's gone, and then once that is done, you should be able to be good to go. Alright, that's the process for doing that. I hope really this video helped you out, and see you in the next video.